Welcome to our video on understanding non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and their role in digital collectibles and art. NFTs are a relatively new concept in the world of cryptocurrency, and they have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about digital assets. So, what exactly are NFTs? Simply put, they are unique digital assets that cannot be replaced or exchanged for another asset of equal value. This is different from traditional cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can be easily exchanged for other cryptocurrencies. NFTs are like digital fingerprints, each one is unique and cannot be replicated. One of the key platforms for NFTs is Ethereum, which is the most popular blockchain for creating and trading NFTs. There are also several marketplaces for NFTs such as Rarible and SuperRare where people can buy, sell, and trade their NFTs. These marketplaces are like a digital art gallery where you can find a wide variety of digital assets from digital art, collectibles, and even gaming items. The potential use cases for NFTs are endless, but some of the most popular include digital collectibles, gaming, and digital art. For example, imagine owning a virtual trading card of your favorite basketball player that is verified on the blockchain as the only one in existence. This is the kind of thing that excites collectors and opens up a whole new world of possibilities. NFTs have the potential to democratize the art and collectibles market, making it more accessible to people who may not have had the opportunity to invest in traditional art or collectibles. They also provide a way for artists and creators to monetize their digital creations and gain recognition for their work. In conclusion, NFTs are a revolutionary concept that has the potential to reshape the digital art and collectibles market. We are excited to see where this technology takes us in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Crypto Explainer videos. Thank you for watching.